Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be putting some roof rack crossbars on the Sorento. Let's go ahead and take a look at the kit that we got and see how to get it installed on the car. And a quick disclaimer, this kit is for these Sorentos with these flush roof rails, not the other roof rails that actually come up off of the car and have space in between them and the roof. Alright, so this is the crossbar kit from SnailFly. I picked it up on Amazon. We've got our 4 anchor points, the 2 bars that are going to be joining them, all of the hardware needed and the tools to put them together. We've also got a set of keys here. Now, each one of these anchor points has a little shell that's going to be going over top of it. These bolts are basically needing to be blocked so that the anchor points can't just be taken off of the car, and theft prevention is going to be a lock inside of this little cap that goes over that so those 2 bolts can't get loosened. So let's go ahead and get these on the car. Before we put the crossbars on the roof, we're going to go ahead and clean the rails off so that we're not mashing any dirt and grime into the trim there and scratching anything up. Now for installing the bars, the longer ones should go in the front, shorter in the back, and then they need to be facing forward. And luckily, SnailFly has put a little sticker on here that shows us which way is forward. If yours, I guess, doesn't have a sticker on it or it fell off or something, this little ridged side is going to be facing forward. Bottoms of these crossbars is basically just a clamp. Loosening and tightening these bolts here on either side is going to open or close this little kind of vice grip it's got down here. And it's nice that these actually have some rubber padding so that it's not just like metal grabbing onto your rails. So let's go ahead and tighten all these down and then we'll get the caps on. so we had a little tiny hiccup. The caps for these are a little hard to put back on by yourself, so I ended up using some of those vice grips to help hold the cap down while I actually locked the locking mechanism. You may need an extra set of hands for this, or if you've got some vice grips or whatever, you should be able to get it done. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do a quick strength check. We'll just wiggle these things around. All right, yeah, they're not going anywhere. And for those of you wondering about the sunroof, perfect fit in it. Alrighty, now this crossbar kit is rated for 165 pounds of cargo evenly distributed up to 75 miles an hour. Anything over that weight and over that speed will probably end up in ripping the crossbars off of the car. So best to just go ahead and stay below or at that if you can. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the install or the crossbars, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be leaving a link in the description to them if you want to get some for your Sorento. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.